Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself feeling stuck when it comes to attracting money? Well, today I've got an exciting solution for you through the power of Reiki. Let's dive right in. Reiki for manifesting money is a powerful technique that can help you attract wealth and abundance quickly. By tapping into the universal life force energy, you can align your vibrations with prosperity and abundance. Now let's address the common challenges people face when trying to manifest money, whether it's limiting beliefs, financial stress, or a lack of clarity. These obstacles can hinder your ability to attract wealth and abundance into your life. When it comes to using Reiki for manifesting money, it's all about understanding the principles of energy flow. By incorporating visualization techniques and energy clearing practices, you can remove blockages and create a clear path for abundance to flow into your life. Now here comes the key moment. I want to share with you a success story or a powerful technique that you can start using right away to attract money into your life. Whether it's a specific ritual, affirmation, or meditation practice, this technique can amplify your manifestations and bring about positive change. In conclusion, using Reiki for manifesting money can be a game changer in your financial journey. By aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and prosperity. Remember, the power to attract wealth lies within you. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to try out the Reiki techniques shared in this video. Start implementing them into your daily routine and watch as your financial reality begins to shift. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on manifesting wealth and abundance. Thanks for watching, and remember, abundance is your birthright. See you in the next video.